Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The strongest dogs, do not mess with them. You'd better not beat them. Dogs are some of the most adorable pets a person can have. There are very few other pets that can even come close to a dog. Not even a cat can beat a dog in being a man's best friend. Having said that, there are certain breeds of dogs which can be quite ferocious and can make you wet your pants if you treat them wrong. Here is a list of 8 world's most ferocious dog breeds. These can be quite gentle companions if you bring them up the right way, but beware, do not mess with them or you may end up in hospital. Pit bulls. Thinking of ferocious dogs, and pit bulls is a popular breed that comes to mind. Of course, the media and Hollywood have generated a lot of speculation about their ferociousness. The pit bulls have their roots in the United States and weigh between 30 and 55 pounds. This breed is the product of interbreeding between a bulldog and terrier's breed. The result is a pit bull terrier with the athleticism and strength of terriers, bulldog, and gameness. Although their jaw-looking has proven to be a myth, it still has one of the most ferocious bites. These dogs were most commonly trained for dog fighting. Although these dogs are nowadays bred as normal pets, they are still a breed that you need to watch out for. Rottweilers. This dog breed is native to Germany and weighs between 85 and 110 pounds. We have those which are strong and solid. The race is bred primarily for the purpose of guarding, and you can expect to be aggressive to a guard dog than a normal dog. Though these dogs are good-natured and obedient, as they are highly territorial, they usually hate strangers and other dogs. This nature makes them vicious and ferocious. Doberman Pinschers. It's one rough, faithful, and violent dog breed. If properly trained, these dogs can be gentle and wonderful family pets. They can be very violent and dangerous, though, if you annoy them. These smart, alert dogs serve well as guard dogs. Because of its stout and aggressive nature, no person can trespass a property guarded by a Doberman Pinschers. These dogs can attack their owner or property without second thoughts if they perceive any danger. That is what makes them some of the fiercest dogs in the world. German Shepherds. That breed, as the name suggests, comes from Germany. A dog weighs between 70 and 100 livers on average. They were originally bred as sheep guard dogs against wild animal attacks, including wolves. Now both homeowners as well as the police are bred to these. Their reliable and obedient temper and intelligent, agile and fearless nature make them outstanding canine units. These are possibly the most common dogs among law enforcement agencies. They can be reliably deployed for tasks such as sniffing out bombs, drugs, and illegal paraphernalia at airports. They are highly active dogs and require constant exercise. Brevels. Brevels come from South Africa, where they were bred to protect the farm. In Afrikaans, the word brevel translates as farmer's dog. The general belief is that these dogs came from the interbreeding of some African breeds and the races brought in by the Dutch, British, and French settlers. They have also been used as the first line of predator defense. These dogs are known to be calm and stable, yet agile, strong and courageous at the same time. They are also known to have strong territorial instincts that make them a popular choice of guard dogs among farmers. Boxer. The Boxer was born in Germany. These dogs are very agile and very strong and can weigh between 50 and 70 pounds. Their energetic and playful conduct gives them the label of being headstrong and hard to train. They are highly energetic, but by nature they are not aggressive or violent. They can also seem unfriendly and aloof to strangers. Do not make the mistake of messing around with them, though, as it can land you in severe trouble. The dog will attack you anytime, anywhere, but only under certain circumstances. One of the reasons that endangers the dog is lack of socialization. When breeding a boxer, one has to be extremely cautious. Presa Canario. These dogs reside in the Canary Islands. They are known to have a dominant character and have strong character. These were considered to be trained as machines for hunting and killing, and were usually used in battle rings. If they attack, they can bring certain death to their prey. To keep them obedient, they need daily training and early socializing. In certain cases, they can be violent against strangers and other dogs. They can be very sweet and honorable to their families if properly trained, and be great guard dogs. Alaskan Malamute. Because of its strong facade and energetic body, this breed is known to be fierce. They are usually silent and loyal, being independent at the same time, which makes them quite difficult to train. They are well known to have excellent potential for survival. They are known for their willingness and agility to do tasks beyond that of a normal dog, such as pulling a sled, reindeer herding, and acting as a watchdog. When bored, they tend to become aggressive, so to avoid aggression, they need proper care, exercise, and control.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.